Good morning, students. How are you? I am hoping you are all fine and fit. We are doing our chapter Mangoes Around the Year. Yesterday, we have discussed our introduction of the story. There are some students who are discussing about their lunch. One of them got spoiled sabji and they share with them each other. We have discussed about wastage and food spoilage. I hope you got the topics. Now, moving onwards, today we will do our few exercises and one more topic. First of all, in our exercise, let's see. Look in your kitchen and write down names of food items that can get spoiled in 2-3 days. In our kitchen there are so many eatables, so many things which stay for some time, which stay for 1-2 days, which stay for a long time. We have to identify them and make the list. First one is can get spoiled in 2-3 days, like milk, and some other things which spoiled in 2-3 days, like ice cream and ready-made food. Next one is can can be kept for a week. Can be kept for a week. They may be tomatoes, tomato, and some other things. You have to identify them, which do not spoil for a week. What would next one is would not spoil till 1 month. 1 month, like potato and some other things which do not spoil, which we can keep for 1 month or more days, more time. Look at now. These are the questions you have to discuss with your friends. First, now in these three questions, one question is there. Will your list be the same in all the seasons? No. We have made a list and you see in your kitchen, in your home, that things changes according to the season. Like we see that eatables such as fruits and vegetables spoil in summer season and rainy season very quickly, but in winter season we see these things do not spoil so soon. They stay for few days. What would change? Our vegetables, fruits, and some other things. When food gets spoiled in your house, what do you do with it? When food spoiled in your house, जब तुम्हारे घर में खाना खराब हो जाता है, what do you do with it? क्या करते हो उसके साथ? We usually throw it. We usually throw it in dustbin, or we also give them to the animals. Or in some houses there is a tradition of making manure. They do not throw them, they put in a pit and make a manure, and then the manure is given in the plants. Next, our topic is Biji returned the bread. Biji. Biji is a Punjabi word which means ma, mother, or grandmother. Aman's Biji went to the market to buy bread. The shop was very crowded. The shopkeeper picked up a packet of bread and gave it to Biji. She looked at it and returned it immediately. What happens when Aman's mother or grandmother went to the market? There was a crowd, there were so many people on the shop. The shopkeeper immediately gave her a bread packet. But by observing the bread packet, BG returned the bread packet at no time to the shopkeeper. Why would have happened this? Why did BG return the bread packet? Let's look at the picture of the bread packet here and guess why BG returned it. Now there is a picture of bread packet. What would have BG identified, look, observe in this picture? See, there are some dots, spots in different color. The natural color of bread is this. This is the natural color of the bread. But Aman's BG saw that there are some spots on the bread which are unusual color. There are different color. She identified these color and returned the shopkeeper saying that what is it? Okay, let's see what it is and what happens then. How did she find that the bread had got spoiled? By identifying, by observing the color of spots. When she observed the change of the color on the spot, she identified that the bread is not fit for eating because it is spoiled. Next, find out. Look carefully at 2-3 packets of food items. What can we know from what is written on the packet? Now there are so many packets, so many things which come in packet, ready-made packed packets like biscuits, toffee, and so many other things. Cereals, pulses, rice, sugar, or so many things like jam, sauce, even medicines. These are things which are kept in the market to sell. Let's see one few items and observe what is written on them. What can we know? What is written on the packet? Let's see. We are taking few examples. Now see, the first packet is of bread. First of all, we see there is weight. There is weight of the packet. What is inside the packet? The weight of that thing. Next thing, MRP. MRP means manufacturing price, maximum retail price. That is 40 rupees. That is 40. If any seller wants ask you to give 41 rupees, don't give. Or it is written that the maximum price of this packet is 40 rupees. Okay. Next thing, what is written? Use by date. Use by date. This date says that you have to eat this thing before this date. Before this date. If we will eat after this date, it may be not sure that the required thing means nutrition which we need from the packet eatable would be same, or it may be harmful, or it may not fit to be eaten. Use by date. Before that date we have to use it. Some more things are there. Nutritional information. Nutrition information. Each and every eatable thing packet have nutritional information. This information tells us about how much quantity of that in nutritions it has, and we can compare different products to choose the correct, the fit eatable for us when we go to the market or big shop. Next thing, what is on the packet? Ingredients. Ingredients. It means it says that from which things the food item is made. It is made from these things. These things. These are the things from which the eatable is made of. One more thing is there. License number. License means authority. License means authority to make. It is a very important thing. License number. It is very important for anyone who is making any eatable or anything. Now we will take some more packets of eatables and check will these also have the same information, means expiry date, nutrition information, ingredients, licensing number, and something extra. Let's see one another packet. This is the bread biscuit packet. See, there is weight, MRP, how much the biggest price we have to give, the expiry date, packet, there is written PKD. PKD means packaging date, 2020, 20th February 2020. And where is the expiry date? Can you find it? Yes, this is written here. Best before 5 months from packaging. Best before 5 months. 5 months. Only 5 months it is written, and the previous packet has written only 5 or 7 days. Next, there are ingredients. Can you find? Yes, here is, and this is nutritional information. Okay, and somewhere on the packet is also written its manufacturing license number. There is licensing number. Each and every packet it has things. We will take some more examples. There is one more packet. On that packet we can see that MFD manufacturing date, PKD packaging date, MFD manufacturing date 5 2019, May 2019. Where is expiry date? Yes, it may be no written, but there will be a line like this, sentence like this: best before 15 months from manufacturing. May, after this date, after this month, 15 months later, it is safe, it has the same values which we need to intake. Next thing, see here it is clearly written its licensing number, licensing number, and where is its price? Its price is written here, MRP. Let's check one more thing. This is liquid bottle. Is there anything we have discussed earlier? Yes, it has month and year of manufacture, means maiden, month and year. Next is MRP, maximum retail price. Here it is. Now, manufacturing date is year, but where is the expiry date? Here it is, best before 24 months from the manufacture. We have seen some examples. First example was 5 months. Next was 15 months. And this one is 24 months. So you can see, you can observe the time period 5, 15, 24. This varies according to the manufacturer and product. Now these also have nutritional facts, nutritional information. It is written and licensing number. One more thing is there. If we observe any packet, anything, we see these signs also. Now, what is the meaning of this sign? The green square, inside the green square there is a green dot. What is its meaning? It is for vegetarian. Vegetarian people. Okay, it is made from vegetarian. One more thing is there. Recycle. It means recycle. Recyclable. Okay. Next, one more thing is use dustbin. After using this, we have to throw the bottle in dustbin. Packaging dustbin. Now we can see same thing on the tablets, on the medicines also. Here is the manufacturing date, expiry date, MRP, and somewhere the licensing also written manufacturing license number. Okay. Now there is a question, why the company or the product producer writes the manufacturing and expiry date. It means he wants to say that it is fit for you to eat, to intake before that day. The manufacturer takes guarantee. He says if any problem happens before this date, he is responsible. The manufacturer is responsible. But if you are eating after this date, the manufacturer don't say that he takes any guarantee of its nutritional values or any damage or any harm. Now coming to our chapter, when you buy anything from the market, what do you look for on the packet? Now I hope you have got the idea what you have to check on the packet when you buy anything. Yes, we have to check, we must check its MRP. If the shopkeeper asks us more than MRP, we do not buy. Second thing, expiry date. Expiry date. The most important thing is expiry date. If the date is expired, we must not buy it. जब भी हम देखते हैं कोई भी प्रोडक्ट पे एक्सपायरी डेट जा चुकी है, ख़त्म हो चुकी है, तो हमें उस चीज़ को नहीं लेना चाहिए. Okay. Some more things like licensing number, ingredients, vegetarian and non-vegetarian. We discussed about vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Let's see what are the. See, there are two symbols. One is vegetarian written in green color, and second is written non-vegetarian in red color. I hope you understood the vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Vegetarian means the people who eats the things made of vegetables, plants. And non-vegetarian means the people who eats from non-vegetarian means plants as well as animals, birds. Flesh eating, we can see. Next one example, there is one example of vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Let's check it is mentioned or not. Can you see here anywhere the symbol of vegetarian and non-vegetarian? Yes, there it is. Here is written, here is the symbol. It means we can check this is for vegetarian and this is for non-vegetarian. Okay. These are the few that we can say information written on the packets. Let's come to our topic. Now there is an experiment for you to do at home. The bread experiment. What we have to do, we have to take a piece of bread or roti and sprinkle some water on it and put in a box, and cover it, and we have to check every day what happens to the bread, what happens to the piece of bread, any change of smell, any change of touch, any change of color or texture. Like when we take the bread on first day, we can say by touch it is normal in touch. Second day it likes normal, like normal. Third day it start softening. It when we touch it, we feel it is soft. So you have to check it. Next thing, by smell. What is the smell? What is the smell of the thing? The first day it is in normal smell. Second day it feels like so normal but changes. Slide, change. And then it feels like it feels, when we smell it, we smell it is in a bad smell. Okay. Next one, looking through hand lens. What is hand lens? Hand lens is a glass from which we can see the microorganism, means bacteria, fungus, virus, like this, which we cannot see our eyes, normal eyes. Looking hand lens, nothing we see, nothing when we see on the next day. Third day we see small organisms. Same like this we have to fill it. Next one is color. What is the color? The normal color. Then feels like normal but in changes to whitish. And third day it becomes a white. Next day it changes in green. Next day it changes in grey. Like that we have to fill up this. And next, same thing we have to do in the box. Now find out the reason for these changes. What may be the reason behind these changes? Behind these changes there may be reason of bacteria, fungus, and some anything. From where did the fungus come on the bread? The fungus came on the bread from atmosphere, from environment. Different kind of food items spoil due to different reasons. We have seen so many things spoiling, like tomato, like bread, like potato, and our cooked food. Some food spoil soon, very soon. Some food spoil, like milk. Some stay good for long, some stays for a long time, like vegetables and dried things like wheat, rice, cereals, spices. List some seasons and conditions in which food spoils quickly. There are some seasons such as summer and rainy season. In summer and rainy season, the food spoils quickly. In which food spoils quickly? and when the food get moisture, it also spoils soon. Next one is, given below are some food items and some simple methods. Now there is one more topic, methods to make safe, to preserve the things by from spoiling. We will discuss this topic the next day. Till then, you have to complete these exercises, experiment, and observation in your house. Till then, thank you and bye.